Good day, Android Studio coders. This is Lansky of Android Studio channel. So in my previous video, I have indicated that Gemini AI plus Android Studio is unable to do the coding for me. So it's not able to implement the code. It just gave code suggestions. However, upon further investigation, the only reason that it was not able to do so because I have not yet obtained a Gemini API key. So the Gemini API key has a free credits, and if the free credits was already consumed, you have to pay for the service. So let's check if I could demo here uh, how the Gemini AI would do the coding for us. So let's click a new project, empty activity for us to demo that everything can be done by the AI. Let's choose phone and tablet and click next and name the application demo Gemini AI Agent coding for user. So let's choose Java and minimum SDK is API 24. And for the build.gradle, we use Groovy DSL and click finish. Okay, the Android Studio is still importing all the necessary configurations for us to do this project. And on the right side, we have the Gradle, and we can click on the Gemini API here so that we could see it. So ensure that you are here, not on the chat. You have to be in the agent preview because this is a preview or trial version by Google. So you should be here in this tab, and you could choose the default model or choose the available Gemini model. So I choose here Gemini 2.5 Pro, and let's ask the AI a simple instruction. So please create two screens or activities as follows. One is login, two is profile. Use Java. Okay, that's it for now. And click submit. Then the AI would be the one to generate the code, and it would ask you if that code could be implemented. You could also click auto approve so that all the future code to be generated by the AI would be auto implemented. We could try first the approve instead the auto implement. However, I don't know if it remembers my instruction in past interactions. Oh, it's here. You exceeded your current quota. Okay, please check your plan and billing details for more information in this error. Okay, I'll just have to post this video and get new credits. So I'll click post right now. I have already configured my paid account, and actually it says there that it's still free. It just obtained my credit card information. So but how do we refresh this thing? Hey Gemini, how do I refresh you? Okay, please proceed on the instruction. Let's try. Okay, so I just instructed the Gemini to proceed on doing the instruction that I have previously given. So you could reject change or accept change or auto accept everything. So for now, let's accept the change. And then it would do the next process. Here, it's doing the activity underscore login.xml. So let's check first what are the changes that the AI is proposing so that we could learn. So the activity underscore login is the login UI. And then we have here the profile activity.java. This is the code for the profile screen. So let's accept. Okay, scroll down. It would create now the layout file for the profile activity. So for every .java, or for example, the login.java, login activity.java, it always appends the word activity. And then the profile activity.java, it has an equivalent XML for the UI. So for the UI inside your phone. So let's accept the change. Okay, it's creating the next step. It's updating our Android manifest.xml. So if a programmer would be the one to do that, all those things would at least take 30 minutes or more, because you have to remember everything that should be configured, your build.gradle, your manifest, and other custom settings that you have to do for your Android application. Then scroll to bottom. So this is the Android manifest that is proposed by Gemini. Let's accept. So if you're busy and don't want to do everything, you just auto accept everything. So this is the changes that has been made. Actually, you can even roll back the changes. You can roll it back. So let's check if the changes have been implemented. So it's here. We have the manifest. We have the two screens for the login activity.java and the profile activity.java. And we have the UI for that inside the layout folder, or, which is under the resources folder, which is res. It represents your resources. So under drawable, you have images or XML images right there. So in the layout, this is the UI, activity underscore login and activity underscore profile. So it has implemented the changes. So let's check if we run the app. I have already integrated my phone. So my emulator is my phone. Let's see if it's already integrated. Then it would launch the application right here in the computer screen. Okay, it's loading. So first, it's building the Gradle. The Gradle build is already running. That's a preparatory to the launching of the application. Okay, it's launching the application on my device, which would be mirrored here in the Android Studio UI or editor. So let's wait. So this is the demo of the Gemini AI. It has not yet provided us. So actually, we cannot see whether we are at the login or the profile activity because we have not instructed the AI to show the label. Okay? We'll instruct the AI now to show a label or put a button. Or instead, let's use a label. Put a label inside main activity that says main screen. Or no, it's not main activity. Put a label inside login screen that says login. And inside your profile that says profile. Then we have to have a way to navigate to profile. Then put a button inside, uh, no, put a button below the label in login that says go to profile, so that we could see both screens. Go to profile, that when you have to be specific, when click transfers you the screen transfers the screen to profile, and a button below the label in profile that says back to login, that when click go transfers the screen to login. So I think that's pretty understandable by the uh, artificial intelligence called Gemini. That submit, we could just auto accept everything. Okay, auto accept. You could always change your instructions here. You could uncheck this auto accept. Is it finished? It's auto accepting everything. It's not asking us anymore because we have instructed it to just implement the changes required. Okay, it has finished with the changes. Let's run the application again. So it's launching on devices, which is actually my phone. Then I would click on my phone, and then it would be shown here right in the screen inside Android Studio. So we have here login, go to profile. Let's click. Okay, it's now in the profile screen, and then click back to login, and it shifted back to login. So it has implemented so many changes, and if you're the programmer who has to code everything from scratch, it's really very time consuming. Plus, you have to remember everything that has to be set. But now with Gemini AI, you could actually save time focusing on the functionality of the application instead of the coding part of the application. So another change that I would want is that usually in your phone you have a navigation pane. So we want the application to have a navigation pane using a hamburger button on the upper left, so that through you could navigate here in your login screen and profile screen without clicking the button. So we could instruct the AI to do that. Please create a navigation pane that would allow the user to navigate between profile and no, between login and profile without clicking the button. Okay, I think that's pretty standard or understandable by Gemini. Let's click. Then it would auto accept the changes or auto implement the changes because we have not changed the instruction yet. So just remember, you could always change your instruction here. You could uncheck this auto accept changes if you want. So AI is doing everything that you see here. It has for the instruction was please create a navigation. Of course, I'll implement a navigation pane using a drawer layout and navigation view. Actually, these are complicated topics if you have to study this drawer layout and navigation view. Back when there is no artificial intelligence yet, I am I have studied this for a long time, and actually I have forgotten a lot of this. And for me to do this from scratch, I have to review uh, the documentation for these functionalities. So it has created that for us, and it's updating the code, the XML, and the drawer layout and navigation view. So a lot of things have been changed in the code. You see this green highlighted green part of the code. It's the one that has been added by Gemini. So let's check. I think it is done. You exceeded your, oh no, you exceeded your current quota. Please check your plan. Has it been implemented? Okay, let's pause the video first. Okay, I have activated my full plan. I don't know if I would be billed after this, but I think we have to instruct Gemini again to please, please proceed now. My plan has been updated. So if you're already being charged for this, you should be sure of your instructions. You should be sure of your uh, code that should be implemented, because every action is gonna be charged by Gemini. I think the charge would be minimal. The important thing is this is the one that I don't like. I think it's just repeating the messages. Eh. I think it's already done. So the app, it has to stop because it's just repeating this one. I think it's already implemented. Then we have to run the application. You can see that it's just repeating the message. You can now, I think this is a bug that has to be fixed yet, because this is a not yet a full-fledged stable version by Gemini as integrated into Android Studio. It's repeating the message. You can now switch between them using navigation pane. Then it's repeated the message again. You can now switch between them using navigation pane here. So this is a bug that Google has to fix. So let's now run the application. Okay, so we now have the hamburger button on the upper left, or hamburger navigation system. So click that hamburger navigation. We have the login and the profile shown on the left. Let's click on login. So it's in the login screen. And then let's click on profile, and it goes to the profile screen. And then our old button is still working. If we click back to login, then it goes to login again. And then if we click go to profile, then it goes to profile. So that's the demo of our Gemini doing the coding for us. So we have the button-based navigation that has been done for us, and we also have our navigation pane and drawer layout functionality implemented by Gemini. So thank you for watching this video, and hope to see you in the next video. Please like and subscribe.